show you the benefits of using a new functionality in NAV 2017 item category. NAV 2017 has no product groups in item categories. All product groups are sub-item categories, and list will be displayed with parent-child relationship. In my example, parent category is furniture with 3 child categories: chair, desk, and table. There are 4 benefits of using this new feature: custom categories, consistency, enhanced browsing, and web store integration. The first benefit, custom categories, gives you an option to create your own custom item categories. Parent and child categories are set up in item category card where you specify code, which is child or sub-item category, parent category, or attributes. Attributes assigned in a parent category, in my example it's furniture, has 3 attributes: color, depth, and height. Those will be assigned and inherited in child category, in my example chair. However, you can still assign your own custom attributes according to your business needs. In my example, it's width. Second benefit is consistency. When you assign attributes to all items in a category, it will save time and ensure consistency across related items. All attributes from parent or child categories are also inherited and assigned automatically to the item when a user selects item category. There is a new field in item card called item category code where you can assign item categories after they're set up. When item category codes are set up in item card, you can view them in item list under item category code column. And that brings us to the third benefit of using item category, browsing. Enhanced browsing will help you easily navigate through the category structure when adding items to sales and purchase documents, will help you organize your items and filter on attribute values in a given category structure. In my example, I will filter on item category code chair, and I will filter on attribute values color red. And these are my results. List view and tile view. Web store integration will drive data on items in the shop in alignment with attributes and Navision clients. You will be able to reuse item categories and web stores. In summary, these are the benefits and why you should consider using this new functionality, item category, in Navision 2017.